adult cardiopulmonary resuscitation, infant cardiopulmonary resuscitation, checking of foreign body or object inside the mouth, opening airway, head tilt, chin lip maneuver. Early in the morning and we are ready to attend basic life support training. Let's do it and be a competent life rescuer. Always be ready to save life. The scene is safe. PPE on. Face reveal. Charot. I am Nympha. I know BLS. Can I help? And count 200 to 240 chest compressions. Thank you, nursing family and trainers, for the support. Bye!